but I think this has a little bit more texture, and this is much silkier.
Okay. Be careful, Kyle. Be careful, please.
Okay, Mommy.
Yeah. What's going on, Kaylani? What are you making?
This one? Chocolate.
Those hands movement. Oh, that for chocolate.
That's chocolate.
Kaylani, all that for chocolate? I didn't know that.
Oh, that's actually.
It's just like outside, don't they? That is hungry.
That is hungry.
Yeah, that is hungry.
So how was it? Was that success?
Yeah.
Getting the...
Managed to get everything out of the way. Okay, baby.
Kaylani, what is that? Daddy gonna open.
Have you ate?
Yeah, just finished soup.
You just had some soup? Okay, that's what I'll get for you. You want some ice cream?
Kaylani, did you tell Daddy you liked your soup? Did you like your soup?
Did you eat all of your soup?
Yummy.
Should we get some spoon for you?
Please don't eat everything. That should have hide it. The ice cream.
It's okay, she already had soup.
Yeah, but she might gonna try. Oh, remember the rash, Dad? That's not gluten free.
Oh yeah.
And she's got a rash.
You mean dairy free?
Yeah, that's a dairy free.
Okay, that is really should have hidden.
And she's so happy. Right, Kaylani?
You're gonna have some ice cream.
Oh my goodness. You love your ice cream, don't you, Kaylani?
There you go. Careful. There you go.
Okay, show me your ice cream, Kaylani. Come show me. Wow. What flavor is that?
This my ice cream.
Oh, the flavor is my ice cream. That's the flavor of your ice cream. Right?
My ice cream.
Okay, come here. Say yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy ice cream. How is it?
So finish, Kyle.
Good? How good? And you have to clean your face. Look, you just had soup and still showing that you had soup. Okay, no screaming.
Hey guys, just got home. Actually starving. So I got some pasta leftovers from yesterday. And I'm looking forward to have some. Plus, I got the pizza in the oven. I could eat. Pizza and you got fake pizza.
So basically this is our, well, the kids' second meal or snack after soup. Kaylan, what's the matter? Why you always have attitude, young lady? Come on, cheer yourself up. Come on. That's it. Kaya is struggling with this pizza, too much cheese on it, and still learning.
You don't want it?
Okay, we'll solve this one later.
Daddy, what dog?
Kailan, are you my assistant? Are you helping mommy? She's my new assistant. She's helping me. Okay. Yummy, yummy. Pizza for Kailani. What's with the face? You don't smell food. No, you don't. You don't want it. What are you doing? You're supposed to eat it. You're supposed to eat it. What are you doing? Okay.
So now guys, the kids are taking a nap, and usually when they go for a nap, that's when I usually either film something, shoot some content for the Instagram, or I crack on with processing orders. I'm not sure if I told you before, but I do have a hairline. I sell premium hair from Brazil, which is the one I usually wear. Well, at the moment, let's not even talk about it, what is going on here, but we have our days, and thank God this week my hairdresser will be coming to my house to do my hair, so I'll be, well, I'm hoping to feel more like myself very soon. But until then, let me give you a pre-introduction to my hairline. As you can see, those are the boxes. It's called Styles My Thing Locks. We kind of have drops, let's put it that way. Depending on what I'm using, we already sold Russian hair, but we're over that. I always worn Brazilian hair, and that hair was the hair that I am most passionate about, and my hair always came directly from Brazil, so I was happy to just introduce real decent Brazilian hair. And our hair actually comes from the source, Brazil. If you follow me on Instagram and follow my hairline page, you will see that the hair is original from Brazil. At the moment, we're doing pre-order hair. It takes up to 30 days to arrive. It was taking much longer just because of the COVID and things like that, but things are kind of getting back in track, and I also managed to find new suppliers that are more flexible with shipping and things like that, so that's a plus. So if you guys ever decide to purchase from our website, I hope you don't mind, but it takes a little longer, but the product is good and you will love it. Yeah. Nevertheless, so I had a few orders that came in, and since I'm processing orders, why not show you the hair? So this is actually one of the hair that I sell. Is called the Brazilian Premium, and this Brazilian Premium, this is actually the one I ordered for myself. Yeah. And this is the one I'll be using very soon when my hairdresser comes to apply. I'm not sure if you know, but I use Brazilian knots, and right here is 500 grams of real Brazilian hair. I can get it in straight, curly like this, or wavy-ish. So there are 3 textures available. This is the curly texture. You can get the wavy texture and the straight texture. I was lucky enough to find a supplier that supplies this type of texture, which is natural curls. And yeah, this is one of the textures. This actually I ordered for myself, and because I use Brazilian knots, I don't need weft. And yeah, pretty much this is it of the hair. This is 500 grams and is 22 inches, I believe. We'll see. Let us see. Inches. Oh, 20 inches. If I stretch the hair, it will go up to 22. So if I stretch it, can you see up to 22? But if I don't stretch it, it's basically 20 inches. So basically 20 inches of natural, real Brazilian hair. Some people call it raw, virgin. I just know that it's real hair. This is real hair. This is the real deal. It's very expensive, but it's an investment that you invest in this, you won't invest in anything else. Basically, probably you're just gonna have to buy 100 grams every now and then just to top it up, because it's just like any other hair. It falls eventually a little bit by bit, but you want always to top it up to have that full look. And sometimes, depending on the technique you will use, I use Brazilian knots, so it tends to get shorter over time just because of the reusing it. Because every time I use it, you have to cut the knots to create a new knot. I will do a video about it so you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the one that I'm going to be wearing very soon. I'm looking forward to it. Then we have the ones with wift. This is the wift, and this one is the normal hair. The one I just showed you is the premium. This is the original. I'm actually packing for a customer, and this is pretty much how it looks like. It's a little bit different. Still good quality hair. Like I said, I just managed to get a new supplier, which in terms of shipping are more flexible. Things run much faster, so hopefully people won't wait very long. Unfortunately, at the moment I don't hold stock in-house, so it's basically pre-order item exclusively and send off. But yeah, here it is. This is the original. I call it the original because I told you this one has more quality than this. The difference, basically, I would say, they feel pretty much the same. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, they feel pretty much the same. Both are very silky, but I think this has a little bit more texture and this is much silkier. But both are very silky, both are very bouncy, and the premium Brazilian has fuller ends and the original not so much, but both are good quality. This is more the wavy that I told you about. 3 textures: wavy, curly, and the straight. I don't have a straight here, but these are the most popular textures. This is it. We ship to all over the world. There's a few here that go into Canada, Portugal, and Switzerland. We ship worldwide. if you've been following me, you know that my kitchen at the moment is my headquarters, is where everything happens, is where I do all my packaging for hair and jewelry. I'll talk about the jewelry later in a different video or vlog. But yeah, this is it. There are 4 boxes ready to be dispatched. One for Portugal, Switzerland, Canada, if I'm not mistaken, and then there's another one for the USA. Yeah, this is it. If you guys ever feel like purchasing any, please feel free to visit my website. I'll be linking down below on my description box. And yeah, 4 orders ready to roll. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in for this vlog. I know this is the actually first time that you've seen me the roughest ever ever in my entire life. But you know, we have days like this. We do have days like this. Let's keep it real and raw sometimes. And yeah, hopefully by the end of the week you're probably gonna see me glammed up. But yeah, sometimes you just don't want to do it, especially me, a mother of 2. I mean, when you become a mother, it's hard to, you know, get dressed up. It is hard, especially nowadays with social media and all this. Oh my goodness, it's impossible unless you have multiple nannies. Even mothers with nannies, let me tell you, mothers never had day off, never ever. But yeah, thank you so much for you guys to tune in on this vlog, and yeah, until the next video, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, guys. Don't be shy, we're friendly, we don't bite. Join the family, come on guys. I know you want to, you know, you have nothing to lose. Like I said, click the bell icon next to subscribe, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so you don't miss a video. As soon as we upload it, you get a notification. Comment down below your thoughts, show us some love, and like this video so other people can actually see it and join the gang. Oh no, join the tribe, because this is a tribe, it's a family thing. And yeah, so until the next video.